lovely skies,
silver clouds and tired eyes,
metro rails and coffee steam,
rolling toward a living dream. We left our bags downtown that day, Paris waiting in the gray, like a treasure locked away just before the light of day.
little boats and Tuileries, children laughing in the breeze, then the Louvre beside the trees, calling softly, stay with me.
Stone and marble all around, kings and angels looking down,
Paintings we had only known
from old magazines back home. The first time I saw Paris, gold and silver in the rain,
every bridge and every window
felt alive inside my veins. The first time I saw Paris,
every street light softly glowed,
I was falling into Paris,
and deeper into us both.
sunset drifting on the Seine,
Silver water after rain,
Notre Dame beside the flame,
old reflections in the waves,
Orsay lights and passing boats, Pont Alexandra dressed in gold, Concorde shining through the cold,
like a story being told.
the river moved, the whole world slowed.
We let Paris pull us close.
The first time I saw Paris,
Every shadow turned to gold,
every heartbeat in the city
felt 100 years old.
the first time I saw Paris,
Under skies of smoky rose,
I was falling into Paris,
and deeper into us both.
Left Bank Hotel, tiny old lift, heavy bags and aching hips,
Long first day,
no strength remained,
still we laughed through all the pain.
stars appeared above the bed.
Quiet skylight overhead,
You looked at me,
I looked at you,
then we fell asleep too. Skylight glass, 9 p.m. in Montparnasse, umbrellas moving slowly past,
light reflected in the black,
tiny bistros warm and bright, people packed in shoulder tight. Then Chez Marcel came into sight,
like Paris chose our night.
2 French menus on the table, we pretended we were able. 7th grade French came to mind,
College lessons lost to time,
pate of things that fly tonight,
that did not exactly sound right.
duck or goose or bugs in sauce,
We were both
next to us.
Then Marcel stood up at once.
Do not worry, I speak English. The first time I saw Paris,
She was laughing in the rain,
pulling strangers to our table,
like old long forgotten names.
the first time I saw Paris,
Amber candles all aglow,
I was falling into Paris,
down inside my soul.
Marcel smiled and raised his glass.
The whole cafe grew still at last.
He asked us softly, what music then?
All eyes turned to us again.
I said, Piaf.
Then from the shadows she appeared,
A voice so beautiful and clear
La Vie en Rose,
filled the room like Paris, singing just for two. The first time I saw Paris,
every raindrop seemed to shine,
every song and every stranger
somehow crossed into our lives.
The first time I saw Paris,
Under midnight rooftop stars,
to Paris,
and falling back beneath the skylight rain.
soft night washing through the pane.
You looked at me,
I looked at you,
Paris smiled.
and so did we.